Dolly, this is Tenzin Donsel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do my first ever unboxing video and I'm also going to give you some review of this product. So this product is called Glion Dolly Electric Scooter 225 model. So before I start doing my unboxing video, I wanted to share you why I chose this product. So the best thing about this product is it has a handle and true extra wheel to carry like the airport style features which I didn't see in other brands. And I also look at some other electric scooter called Swagtron, Godrex and Swagway and few more. Most of their features are similar. However, I didn't see as portable and compact as Glion Dolly. So that is the deciding factor for me to buy this product. So without wasting any time, let's open it and check it out what it looks like inside. Are you ready? Let's get started. The scooter dila hada kariyala nambi scooter ina standing la ai ma sia khatu dus ma ai ndo the handle be yo maru de the handle jura ni te on kuzo da the handle te modi tende chugo chugo dura kunjo inde pomo ni se pomo da khawa kya ku mare scooter shiba dusna ere the handle de ndo so ne sambalda the nue di da marang moni da gumse ta so the handle da wheels the rock on stand che mo di ta ni ngue ra nas na mai kya tu sa mare mall tang chugo marte kya jo ra ani re theng yo ga train station ro di ni se pomo da kale piti de kha di chugo chimbu de kya ku maro nang ansu de nam sa di handle di ya kya ran inis nam gi ngonso airport la luggage so kim du ya ben ro kim je re pe easy cha sa ta le lo cha re. So guys, I need to charge this scooter before I start using it, and this scooter needs 3.5 hours to reach 100% battery level. And stay tuned, don't go anywhere, I'll be back soon. Welcome back again. So today we are taking a video after 2 weeks of using this product, so we can give you a better review about this product called Glion Dolly 225 model. So let's get started. Come here. Okay, so first of all, operating this scooter is also easy. Turning the right lever activates the accelerations and the left one controls the brakes. The LED display in the middle of the steering wheel shows the amount of battery. You can turn this the red button on and off. You have to press like a few seconds to turn on, and the turning off you can press a few seconds. Okay. What? Suddenly it's started windy. Okay. Talking about the battery, you can charge the battery into any outlet and charge it for 3.5 hours to reach 100% battery level. So the Glion Dolly has a very special handle to hold. It has a very long handle. Especially it's very good for the girls who loves to carry the bag. So you can hold the bag right side, and the other grocery shopping who loves to buy a lot of things, you can hold the grocery shopping plastic bag on the left hand side just like I do. So this is very this makes my life much more easier. So this is very good. You can travel up to 15 miles for a single charge. Isn't it great? So now I will show you. There's a light in the front and this rubber tire which is called honey bomb, so you can never have to worry about filling them. And this is a folding. You can press one to fold and press again to unfold. And your weight should be at least 150 kilogram. So 205 laps, maximum weight limit. It has electronic anti-lock brakes as I mentioned before, and the rear founder foot activates press brake. It's here. So now I'm going to show you how to fold it and unfold it, which is very easy. So first of all, you have to turn it off, the battery level, and then as you can hear, this is small, this guy. So you can see a 3-hole. This is the height level. Whichever you are comfortable, you can hold it here. So my one is the second one, so I have to make it short to fold it. You have to press this one, this is the second hold, and then put it down, and then you have to lock it. Don't forget to lock it. And then, as you can see, there's one, the arrow, green arrow. You can pull this, and this is down. See, I told you, it's very easy. And then press it here, and you can push this down. And then now you can stand up using the handle. See? This is a handle which I've never seen in other scooter. So you can, it's a 2-level. First is short like this much and the other one is a little longer. That's it. Time to go now. Bye bye. Guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please like, thumbs up and comments below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye. Tuchanang. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.